There she is. Megan. So much vapor. Wow. Looks to be in really great shape so far. Let's see. All the sleeves are intact. Some of this lace looks a little newer. I don't know, it's just kind of like a different color and style, but let's see how long she is. Oh my God. How special, right? So it looks like this applique was added on a little later. It's a bit of a marriage. And then this cotton eyelet probably was on a different slip, but look at the fun little knotted fringe. So weird. Love that detail. Let's spin her around and see what she looks like when she's going. Gorgeous hooks and eyes, snaps. Not really seeing any holes or stains. Definitely be a great piece for Etsy. DM if you have any interest. It would be a fantastic wedding dress. Thanks for watching. See ya.